This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Explorer windshield wipers, only way. Park on level ground, turn off the ignition, and lift the wiper arms away from the windshield. Remove the old blades by pressing the release tab and sliding the blade off the hook. Match the new blade to the arm type, click it into place, lower the arm gently, and test wipe in slow cycles to confirm a secure fit and even contact. Gather a flathead screwdriver, a clean rag, and the correct replacement blades before you begin. Confirm blade lengths while the old ones are still in place to avoid ordering mistakes. Keep the ignition off and the wiper switch disabled so the arms cannot move. Work one arm at a time to reduce stress on the hinge. After installation, test the blades in intermittent and low settings to ensure smooth, streak-free contact. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making clear car repair guides. On another note, quick recommendation. I switched to Darn Tough socks for all my shop days because they feel great and come with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy when you're crouched under a hood, and they last longer than cheap pairs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If a blade sticks, gently pry the release tab while supporting the arm to prevent snapping the hinge. For bent arms, inspect curvature carefully and avoid forcing a bad blade onto a damaged arm. Always replace both blades together to preserve even pressure across the windshield. After fitting new blades, cycle the wipers several times and check for chatter, skipping, or streaks. If performance remains poor, recheck attachment and consider replacing the arm or mounting hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.